In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add in Tableau in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Tableau or just looking to enhance your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and search for Tableau. You can access the Tableau website quickly by simply typing Tableau in the search bar. If you already have a Tableau account, you'll want to log in using your credentials. For those who don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. Signing up is intuitive and will only take a few moments of your time as you follow the instructions to enter your information and confirm your account. Once logged in, you'll have an option to either open an existing workbook or create a new one. If you have a specific project in mind that you've been working on, go ahead and click on the existing workbook. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, choose the option to create a new workbook and begin your data visualization journey. Now, to add calculated fields, start by navigating to a worksheet within your workbook. At the top of your screen, you'll find the Analysis tab. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Create Calculated Field. This is a powerful feature that allows you to perform calculations on your data or manipulate it in various ways. Once you've selected Create Calculated Field, a calculation editor will open up. Here, it's time to name your new field. Choose a name that clearly reflects what this field will represent to keep your data organized and understandable. Below the name, you'll see an area to enter your formula. Whether it's a simple arithmetic operation or more complex functions, this editor is where the magic happens. After entering your formula, hit OK. Your new field will now appear in the data pane, ready to be used in your analyses and visualizations. Let's move on to adding sheets to a dashboard. To do this, look for the new dashboard icon at the bottom of your workbook and click on it. This will open a new dashboard workspace where you can bring together various views and analyses. In the dashboard view, you'll find a list of sheets on the left side. These are the individual views or worksheets you've created. Simply drag the sheets you want into the dashboard area. You can position them to best suit the story you're trying to tell with your data. By combining different elements into one cohesive view, dashboards are a powerful way to share insights and data stories. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add in Tableau, from logging in, creating calculated fields, to building insightful dashboards. Keep practicing and exploring these features, as Tableau offers many tools to enhance your data visualization tasks. Happy analyzing!